What's happening, y'all? Trill Dave, Trill 30 Fitness, get higher, all that great stuff. This is gonna be my first episode of BSD, break shit down. This is where I'm gonna be taking things that people don't do, what they need to do, what they make difficult and complex, which is very simple. Get this shit. I'm gonna break it down. Watch. Alkaline water, the easiest version that you can have to help cleanse your body, cool your body, let all the other stuff flush out, detoxification. All you need is two empty gallon jugs, preferably distilled water, one lemon, one cucumber. This is half because I've already done it. Watch. You chop up half of your cucumber into slices, round slices. You chop up half of your lemon into slices, maybe two, depending on what you need or how you feel. Half of your distilled water is gonna go into a container like this, where it's gonna have the strain and the regular pour. You know how you did with the Kool-Aid at your mama's house and all that. Half of it like that, and you're gonna put it with water. The slices go in. I always do green for the first, gold second, green for the money, gold for the honey. Shout out to Bishop Magic Darn Wine. Let that fester. Now this gives the water a pH level that's gonna help your body get cool and get into homeostasis, which means your body will be trying to get back to normal and back into balance. As you can see, the lemons and the cucumbers are chilling here. I wish we could have smell-o-vision because it smells better and greater than any soda that you're gonna put into your body that's gonna derail and corrode your bones and all the things of that nature. I'm saying with a smile because you're killing yourself. Alright. But like what I said, you have this here, you have an empty one. And the great thing about this is, yes, when you let it fester and when you let it ferment, I should say, the water gets stronger, of course, and obviously. But when you put it into other jugs, the energy and the nutrients that you get from said acidic fruit as lemon and the cooling word I want to use. Cooling properties that you get from cucumber and the combination of both together, you get the nutrients that you need for some water passed on. So get it from this water here. So we're gonna pour. All that water that you needed. And this is from overnight. So all this water right here. See, we still have these slices, and these slices are going to be good to use still because they're not pickling. That's what the cucumbers will do if they're sitting there too long. So this is what we're going to do now. Even though the water from the faucet isn't that great, this is going to help break everything down. Get some ice. Three scoops. Come back with me. Three scoops. That's still. You see, this water comes to. We'll be able to drink this and some more for the day. But guess what? I've already drank my first cup of water, and here's number two. This is what it's gonna look like in a clear glass. It's gonna look foggy, but it's necessary to get mind, body, and your overall being back into the homeostasis that you need. It's gonna break down all the fats. It's gonna take away all the salts that your body don't need because it's killing everything. This is gonna help. This is just the smallest. This is probably the weakest detox. But if you do it consistently, daily, for a long period amount of time, you'll see results. And I say that this is light because people put whole cucumber, 2 lemons. The more, the merrier for what it is that you're trying to do. But look, this is breaking shit down. This is the most complex thing that people do to what it is that they're trying to do on their health journeys. And you can't lose weight. If you lose weight, you're going to find that motherfucker again, okay? Eliminate. Think of it like that. And look, we're back to the water. We got the ice. We use warm water to help it dissolve and everything like that. So when I need to get some more water, I won't even have to use this. This is going to be the strong version. But even if I do, I'll finish pouring it into this bad boy here. This is Trill Dave bringing you that breaking shit down news. Just get healthy, man. Stay trill.